Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the voicemail notification not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and restart phone. Click on restart. Again tap on restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After you click on notifications, scroll down and click on do not disturb. After you click on do not disturb, and you will see turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. After you click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the voicemail notification not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.